ਹੈਲੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜਨਰਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ। ਮੇਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਸਿਵਲ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਦੀ, ਸਟੇਟ ਸਿਵਲ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਦੀ, ਐਸਐਸਸੀ ਦੀ, ਬੈਂਕਿੰਗ ਦੀ, ਸੀਡੀਐਸ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਰ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਜਨਰਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੀਏ, ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੀਏ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਪਾਓ। ਅਤੇ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਉਹ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਲਈ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਡਿਕਟੇਟ ਕਰਵਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾਂ। you are to search the answers of these questions. These are very easy and important questions for all the competitions. Question number 1, who is the author of Arthashastra? 2, what was the real name of Chanakya? What do you mean by Mohenjo-daro? From where the shipbuilding factory was found of Indus Valley civilization cities? At which bank of a river Harappa was situated? When Battle of Kalinga was fought? What are the names of 4 Vedas written during the Vedic civilization on Indian land? When Battle of Troy, first Battle of Troy was fought? Between whom? When and between whom second Battle of Troy was fought? Who was the first Muslim who invaded India? When Mahmud Ghaznavi attacked Somnath temple? Who was the first ruler of slave dynasty in India? Who built Qutub Minar in India? Why Qutub Minar was built in India? When the first battle of Panipat was fought and between whom? Who is the ruler who started Mughal Empire in India? When second battle of Panipat was fought and between whom? When third battle of Panipat was fought and between whom? When battle of Plassey was fought? When battle of Buxar was fought? Who is the author of Tale of Two Cities? Who is the author of The God of Small Things, which got Booker Prize? Who was the chairman of Constituent Assembly? Who was the first president of India? Who was the first vice president of India? Who was the first law minister of India? Who was the chairman of drafting committee of Constituent Assembly? Who was the first female prime minister of India? Who was the first female president of India? Who was the first female from India crowned Miss World? Who was the first woman to conquer Mount Everest from India? Who was the first female to conquer Mount Everest under the age of 16 years without oxygen? Who was the first ICS officer, Indian Civil Services, from India during British rule? Who was the first IAS female of independent India? Who was the first female IPS officer of independent India? Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha at present? Who is the chairman of Niti Aayog at present? Who is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court of India at present? Who is the Attorney General of India at present? Who is the Agriculture Minister of India at present? Who is the Health and Family Welfare Minister of India at present? Which is the largest bone in human body? Which is the smallest bone in human body? Where is the seat of memory in brain? Who was the first female cabinet minister of Government of India after independence? Who was the first female Chief Justice of High Court in India? Who was the first female Justice of Supreme Court of India? Who was the Prime Minister of England when India got freedom? What was the real name of Gautam Buddha? Where Gautam Buddha got enlightenment? Who started Brahmo Samaj in India? Who started Arya Samaj in India? Which is the highest tower in India? Which is the highest gateway in India? When and why Akbar built Buland Darwaja at Fatehpur Sikri? Which is the highest gravity dam in India? Which is the largest dam in India? Which is the largest natural lake of India? Which is the largest man-made lake in India? Which is the most populated state of India? Which is the least populated state of India? Which is the most literate state of India? Which is the least literate state of India? Which state of India is the largest producer of saffron? Which is the largest bone in human body? How many members are nominated by President to Rajya Sabha? How many members are nominated to Lok Sabha by President? Who was the chairman of Constituent Assembly to frame the Constitution of India? Who was the first IAS female of independent India? Who was the first female to conquer Mount Everest? Who was the first female to conquer Mount Everest under the age of 16 years without oxygen? Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha at present? Who is the Attorney General of India at present? Who is the Chief Justice of India at present? Who is the Cabinet Secretary of India at present? How many union territories are there in India at present? Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Kashmir UT? Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh UT? Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Who is the Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry Union Territory? Who was the chairman of Drafting Committee of Constitution of India? Which is the most populated state in India? Which is the largest producer of wheat in India state? Which is the largest producer state of India rice? Who is the Education Minister of India? So friends, ਇਹ ਥੋੜੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਜਨਰਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆਉਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਟਿਪਸ ਤੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਆਨਸਰ। ਇੰਡੀਆ ਦੀ ਜਨਰਲ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਮਿਕਸ questions ne, you all of you search the answers for these questions. If you don't get the answer, just comment on my video and I will answer you. Timely answer will be given to you about your query and your query will be satisfied totally. So friends, फिर वही request, मेरा चैनल प्रोफैसर कोमल सिंह YouTube ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਸਟਾਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਤੇ professor_ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰੋ। ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਵਾਂ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਜੌਬ ਲਈ, ਕਿਸੇ ਕੰਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ, ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ। ਸੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਅਗਰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ, ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸੁਣੋ, ਇਹਦੇ ਆਨਸਰ ਸੋਚੋ, ਆਨਸਰ ਲੱਭਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੋ। ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਔਨ ਮਾਈ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਐਂਡ ਆਨਸਰ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਗਿਵਨ टाइमली। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम।